In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to find your transaction history on Cash App. Let's get started. First, launch your Cash App. Then, make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're in the home screen, here you're going to find the option of send, receive, and view your balance. From here, look for the activity or clock icon. This is where your transaction history is stored. Tap on it and you'll be taken to a page showing all the transactions organized by date and month. You can scroll down to view all your past payments, deposits, and transfer in detail. There's also another way to check your full history. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Once you're inside your profile settings, scroll down until you find Documents and Statements section. Tap on Account Statements, and here you'll see monthly statements for your Cash App account. You can select any month or year to view more detailed breakdown of your transaction. This method is especially useful if you need official records or a full transaction report, and that's it. Now you know how to easily access your Cash App transaction history in two different ways. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.